uThalente Mbatha to number 6 and then have uNamthajela on an 8. I think we are not speaking enough about uThalente Mbatha. Kahle nwafowethu. Uma basikhuluma ngama number 6 eSouth Africa njengamanje kwi-Betway Premiership, we are not speaking enough about uThalente Mbatha and we are not giving him his flowers. Mbatha is exceptional kuloya number 6. I know ukuthi Sundowns azotepsa but we have Mbatha. Mbatha given a chance ku number 6. Ayingeke bafowethu. There's very few players who can touch Mbatha ku number 6. Mbatha number 6 gives the pilot element we build up phase to make sure that he comes in, he avails himself and play with the defenders. Akawadlala ama negative pass, he turns with the ball, adlala ama positive pass, breaking the lines, joining in attack, in